Meanwhile, in Mumbai, fishermen and farmers of Uttan village might soon lose their source of livelihood. Reason? MMRDA's 1.14 lakh crore development plan on the outskirts of Mumbai. This plan includes urbanization of the area, which includes road and railway and infrastructure projects over the next 2 decades. Various fishing areas will be converted into tourist spots, which could impact more than 75,000 fishermen and farmers of this area.
Today we are standing in Bhaindar's Uttan area, where we are standing with a group of villagers and localites who are showing a lot of resentment and anger in between them because of the new MMRDA's draft proposal for developmental plans in this area, which includes anywhere between 4.1 lakh crore of investment that is going to happen in this area, and they're fearing not just losing their homes and livelihood but also harming the environment here, because a lot of green zones are expected to be redeveloped here in this region. So we are going to talk to a few villagers, a few fishermen here, and ask them what problems are they really facing and what is the anger that they have right now.
ये MMRD ने ये प्लान बनाया है ना, ये सब हमारा सत्यानाश किया है। कितना साल से हम लोग लड़ रहे हैं, हम काम सब बाजू में काम धंधा छोड़ के हम ये सरकार हमारा पीछे लगा है, हम सरकार के पीछे लग रहे हैं। हमारे ऊपर इतना नहीं क्यों करता है?
MMRD का हमको कुछ आवश्यकता नहीं है, तो हम लोग को MMRD मांगता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उनका जो प्लान है वो हमारे लिए नहीं है और वो बॉडी गवर्नमेंट का है, उनके हिसाब से चलते हैं।
Already this area is were declared as a CRZ and no development zone, and suddenly what need arise of the government to develop such area? By this development plan, which is going to affect the fisher folks or their occupations, not only the fishing occupation but also their the agriculture activity of this area is going to affect by this plan. So where the legal point, what I'm saying that where the how come this plan is legally true?
So as we spoke to these local villagers and farmers, the one thing that we found common in all their voices was that the fear and resentment and anger that they have towards the MMRDA's draft proposals that has come up, and this might still be in the draft stage, but they are showing such fierceness and anger that they won't allow it to move forward because they might lose their livelihood, they might lose their houses, and even they fear for the families that are that they live here for years and years and generations to generations. Now we have to see if the MMRDA will make some major changes in their draft plans for these villagers or farmers, or they might have to suffer that like they are right now. This is Richa Sharma for Magic Bricks Now.
अभी MMRD ने जो 2016 से लेके 2036 तक जो प्लान बनाया डेवलपमेंट प्लान, उसमें ये पूरा एरिया जो उत्तन और ये पूरा एरिया है इसको अर्बनाइज्ड में लिया है। मीन्स यहाँ पर फ्यूचर में 20 से 25 माले के बिल्डिंग यहाँ पर बनाए जा सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए यहाँ पर ये सब लोगों को यहाँ से हटा दिया जाएगा, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट की रिकॉर्ड में ये लोगों को यहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट के जगह पे इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन किया ऐसा रिकॉर्ड है। बल्कि ये लोग यहाँ पर हजारों सालों से यहाँ पर रह रहे हैं, हजारों सालों से, और यहाँ पर रहते हैं और यहीं पर इनका सब बिजनेस चलता है। मीन्स यहीं पर इनका सब कुछ जिंदगी जो है जो आगे की भी जाने वाली है। अगर ये MMRDA का प्लान अगर लागू होता है तो यहाँ पर सबको यहाँ से इनको हटाया दिया जाएगा और कहीं पर इनको सुविधा दी जाएगी, जैसे मुंबई में झोपड़पट्टी हटा के SRA स्कीम बनाई है, लेकिन ये पूरा इनका जिंदगी तबाह कर देगी।
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.